Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust a motorcycle carburetor. First, ensure your motorcycle's engine is at its normal operating temperature. This is crucial for accurate adjustments. Always work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Gather all your necessary tools, such as screwdrivers and a tachometer, before you begin the process. Safety first. Now, let's adjust the idle mixture. Find the pilot screw on your carburetor. It controls the fuel-air ratio at idle. Gently turn this screw clockwise until it lightly seats, but do not over-tighten. Then, back it out 1.5 to 2.5 turns as a starting point. You'll fine-tune this later for optimal performance. Next, we'll set the idle speed. Locate the idle speed screw, which is usually larger and spring-loaded. With the engine running, turn the screw to achieve the desired revolutions per minute. Your motorcycle's service manual will provide the exact RPM specification. Adjust it until the engine runs smoothly without stalling, typically around 1,000 to 1,500 RPM. Finally, it's time for fine-tuning and testing. Take your motorcycle for a test ride to evaluate its performance. Pay attention to smooth acceleration, consistent power delivery, and no hesitation. If needed, make small, incremental adjustments to the pilot screw, perhaps 1/8 of a turn at a time, until you achieve the best throttle response and overall rideability. Enjoy your perfectly tuned ride.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.